So let me show you now the 15, the what do you call the promised one, the 5% chart. Now this is the chart that we have. I'm going to make it simple for you by going live right now. Okay, let me explain this to you. Okay, let me explain this to you a very simple way. Now, to me itself, I'm a big believer in numbers and patterns. So we all know that once the market hits historical high, usually if the market first pull back, it will be 5%. All right, 5%. Yeah. And if the market doesn't go down further, it's very bullish and it will go back up again. You got it? All right, this is one wave. Then, of course, if the market do more than that itself, that means the market basically really come down. So the next number, if I say this is all-time high again, if it comes down and we break 95 and still continue, it may go down to 90%. Can you see that? And if you go 90% itself, if the market couldn't go down and touches the MA, you can see the market generally goes up again. Okay, got the idea? Pretty straightforward, right? Okay, now this is where the problem comes in. Now, everybody take a look over here. As you can see on our screen, that we are now having a bit of problem. Okay, we have a problem. Now, why is a problem here? Now, this is the all-time high. These are the 95, 90, 85, 80%. So you can see that the market from this Nasdaq jump all the way down and hit the 80% mark, stabilize and recover to back to 90%. But now the problem is this, everybody. The market now is below the 90% level and is below the moving average and is still going down. And look at it now, it's going back to below the 85% mark. So which means that there is a chance that the Nasdaq may go all the way down here itself, and that's 13,423. Oh my God. Now it's only 14,200. We're talking about almost 800 points drop from here. Do you think it's possible? How many of you think? How many of you think that Nasdaq can fall 800 points from here? Okay, so what we do is this, guys. Okay, if you think that the Nasdaq can fall 800 points from where we are right now, put the word yes 800. Okay, if you say no, then no, how many points do you think it will fall? Put your answers right now. All right, that means that if you think it's going to be yes 800, just key the word yes 800. If you say no, then give me points. How many points? 200, 300, 400. Let me see. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow, you can see that. Okay, for those people who put that yes 800, I'm going to put a marking on you by putting a love shape beside your comment. All right, then we will take note of you. Now, if you actually put that yes 800, and if the market really goes to 800, down to this level, 13,423, we will invite you for a dinner. If it means if the market really goes down to 13,423 in about, let's say, 2 months' time, okay? If it goes down to that point, we will invite you for a dinner. Now, of course, the dinner is only one time, so if you can make it, good. We give you way in advance notice. But if we tell you in advance, but you couldn't make it, then no way, that'll be all. Okay? You cannot get cash. Cannot. Can't yeah. Okay, so you can see now beside your name is hey, what's suddenly got so many people coming in because of the dinner. Okay, anyway, if you think so, just key in. All right, if you think so, 13,423. Now I don't know when would that be. I really don't know when would that be, but it's just very incredibly that number is possible. It is really possible, right? So let's see if it happens. As long as you put that yes 800, that's all you'll be entitled to the dinner. Of course, this dinner will be in Singapore. Yeah, if you're from overseas, we can send you the dinner to you. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So this is what we're seeing right now: 13,423. We don't know what happened or not. Let's see how it goes. But from the technical aspect, right, very high chance. You know why? All my students will know this is a very clear chocolate bar here, a KCB. So if the market really come down, right, there's a very good chance this will actually happen. Yeah, very happen. Wow, this one, Lion. So what should I write for you? Confirm. You didn't put yes 800, Lion. You must put it together so that you're entitled. Yeah. But thank you for your comment as well. Really appreciate your comment. Yeah. From me, no lah. I'm just basically giving a fair figure arrangement here. Yeah, just basically putting my thing into it. Okay. All right. So let's take a look and see how it goes. So now you understand how it works already, right? Okay. Let's look at the Dow Jones now one by one. Now this is the Dow Jones recently, the high, and you can see that it came down to the 95% mark. But once it go below 95, it went straight down to the 90% mark. Can you see that? And then after that, it so-called rebounded, ding dong, come back down again, ding dong, went again. Okay, all right. So now the thing is this: if that is going to be the way, we can see that the high each time is getting lower. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay. Now everybody, all my students, stand by. Watch this. Yeah. This guy high is a BNB, right? Definitely. Yeah, it's a BNB. You notice that this guy itself is also a BNB. Hey, interesting, right? That means that the high itself, the reversal is a BNB. Now, many students now ask me, Cal, recently got no BNB. Is it because the market is not going to turn down? I say that, yeah, the high don't have BNB. But you look carefully, this is the BNB that is hiding here. Can you see now? Now, this particular BNB is not the highest point. All right, but it has a bit of significance there because if you look carefully now, from the highest point, 100%, the next number is 95, right? Do you notice that the market actually triggered the 95% mark recently here? And after that, pulls back down? That is something that is interesting. So to me, it's all right. The BNB is there. All right, forcefully is there. Right, and because of that, that means today is critical. Okay, it's critical because the BNB SL is still there, right? If the market really goes and stay below the BNB SL, right, then I think there's a good chance that we can see this happening. So 33,258 could be the level that I think the Dow could be going. Now the Dow now is at 34,550. Okay, and Cal, you are looking at what again? 33,258. That means you are looking at a 1,300 points move. 1,300 point move. Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible? Now, how many of you think that we can see 1,300? If you think that you can, if you think that Dow can see, if you think that Dow can see 1,300 point, you do this, okay? Yes, Dow 1300. Okay, if you think that Dow can see really 33258, key the word now. Yes, Dow 1300. Okay, now I'm not saying that the market will be going there for sure. I'm just basically doing the mathematics here, and I'm just showing you the chart pattern. But if you think that it's going to go there, it's all right. Just text the word Dow. Yes, I mean yes, Dow 1300. I want to see how many of you will think that way too. Let me just take a look here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, there we have King Hua saying that, Brian saying that, Lion saying that, Karine saying that, Nicholas says that. Wow. Louis said that we win this week. Wow. Okay, even more confident than me. Wow, incredible. Okay, Ray Yang, hey, this Chukit. All right, Kelly, Janet, Terry, Susan, Dennis. Okay, wow, so many of you guys. Oh gosh, okay, Jerry, Richard. Wow, Sui saying also saying that, even Peter Leong also say that. Wow, okay. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just a mathematician. I'm just giving you, drawing the lines and connecting the dots and stuff like that. But if you ask me itself, right, I'll be looking at that. So let's say now if I shorted the market, right, I'll put my this buyback figure at 33,258. Yeah. This one got no dinner. This one no dinner. But the thing is this: if the Nasdaq is a fall, towards the magnitude, right, I think the Dow will hit this level rather easily. Because you must understand, if you didn't notice this, let me just do it for you, for your sake itself, right? The Nasdaq now is already now at the 85% mark. Can you see that? The Nasdaq is at 85% mark, yeah? Okay, but the Dow Jones, yeah, the Dow Jones itself is not even near 90, no. The Dow Jones is only here, no, about 94% maybe. So it's like way far away from the Nasdaq, no. So if the Nasdaq do drop to the 20% mark, that is actually the bear territory.